In emerging markets, specifically in Latin America, 80% of businesses fail within their first 3 years. The reason? Not every single manager has good, proper management skills, and the access to this knowledge is not affordable for everyone. Through Betty, we seek to break the cost per hour traditional business model and start offering a subscription based service with unlimited access that complies the proper set of innovative and simple tools that can help micro, small, and medium businesses analyze the information they need to make the best decisions. Our key factor to ensure our success is the team that we have. We are very proud to have a multidisciplinary and diverse team that allows us to solve our challenges from different perspectives by constantly improving our products and generating new ones.